Honestly, I'm as hollow as a zombie seems. Autumn leaves are falling, but this fall is full of somber things. I saw a dream as I wandered where a pond's beneath. I wanna sink, but the bottom of it's not in reach. I'm on a beach, walking towards the waves, rocks and jeans. Virginia Woolf felt these pocket seams. The hollows sing like it's Halloween. Howling, Hallows Eve's themes that the shallow breed scream in a harmony. Authoring includes dotting I's and crossing T's for a biography. Hollow eyes don't wanna read. I sharpen teeth on their hearts until applause is reached. I'm not a king in this kingdom full of novelties. Opposite of God is not in me. I ponder deep thoughts and want them free. Monitoring a heart that beats off the beaten path of sovereignty. I gotta sing in proper keys to get the proper keys. Open locks with these, bada bing I'm in and then I'm off to sleep. All I see's an odyssey of other scenes. Odd it seems so obvious this audience is not for me. Monsters seem to offer me some awful dreams. Some harmony careen meets a darker being it seems. I walk the street to not be seen by gossip queens. When this author needs to polish off a vodka shot of 3. Not enough and weak, marijuana leaves, ganja trees, pot of weed. Anything you wanna call its peace, just as long as the solace keeps. I'm not complete till the songs I sing resolve the grief. It's a cacophony, proper me to pop a beat. Blood vessels stressful when I cop a plea. Apostrophe claims ownership of property. Probably I'll never know, cause it's not my thing. I gotta leave.
Life is beautiful, really it is, full of beauty and illusions. Life is great, without it, you'd be dead.
The monster seems to offer me some awful dreams. Harmony could bring me to darker being, it seems. The monster seems to offer me some awful dreams. Harmony could bring me to darker being, it seems. The monster seems to offer me some awful dreams. Harmony could bring me to darker being, it seems. The monster seems to offer me some awful dreams. Harmony could bring me to darker being, it seems.